Today we'll be showing you how to withdraw your funds from Metamask to another wallet or crypto exchange. In this particular video, we'll be withdrawing these funds to our Binance account. Welcome back to the CryptoQ channel, where we publish tutorials and video essays about the blockchain and cryptocurrency industry. So the first thing you need to know is that this process is not complicated at all. You'll probably have finished the whole process in 5 minutes or less. Go to the recipient wallet and go to the deposit section. You'll need to select the cryptocurrency you want to receive and then select the network that is going to be sent on. Now, this particular step is very important because if you select the wrong network, then you are bound to lose the funds that you're transferring. After you've selected the network, copy the address that appears at the bottom of it and go to the Metamask wallet. In Metamask, select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw and then click send. A box should appear where you paste the address that you just got from the recipient wallet. You'll be redirected to a page which will prompt you to input the amount you want to withdraw. On that very page, you'll be given a gas fee estimate, which in our case is 0 as shown on the screen, but that won't always be the case. After that, click next, and on the next page, click confirm. It will show that your transaction is pending, and once it's complete, it should be reflected in the wallet that is receiving the cryptocurrency.